Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very easy way that anybody can go out there and start making an extra $100 a day in passive income, even if you have no products to sell or you have no idea where to start. So without any time wasting, let's just dive right into it. So the first thing that you want to do, guys, is you want to find profitable products that you can promote and make some money, because you cannot make money if you don't have a product to sell, right? And if you're trying to make money without selling any products, then it's probably illegal and you should really stop that stuff, okay? So in order to get started, I strongly recommend that you check out www.funnelpire.com. So Funnelpire is an online learning and educational platform where you're able to gain access to in-depth courses and trainings that teach you how to start and grow your online business and how to market your online business and attract customers and sales. Now, if you really think about it, how many of us out here are trying to start an online business? You're watching this video right now because you're trying to start an online business, you're trying to make more income online and things of that nature. So this platform offers you all the trainings, goes more in depth, and teaches you step by step how to build your online business, a profitable e-commerce store, how to run, ads, how to do email marketing. Like, you think about it, everybody's trying to start an online business, and in order for you to be successful, you need to know how to market. So this platform offers you not only the courses that teach you how to start your business, but you can also learn how to market your business moving forward. Okay. Now, how do you make money with Funnelpire? So you have so many different ways that you can make money with this program. You can either just go through the trainings, of course, and build your own thing from scratch, if that's what you prefer. Or what you can do, and what I recommend for the strategy for you guys to get started in the fastest time possible, is to tap into the affiliate program or the partner program with Funnelpire. So how does it work? So with Funnelpire, you can get started on the 3 different membership levels. Okay, you can either get started under the entry membership level, which is a one-time fee of $47, is the cheapest membership level that you can join. Okay, there's a standard membership here, which is $497. Again, it's a one-time fee, or you can split that across 3 payments. And then there is, of course, the VIP membership payment right there as well. So each of these membership levels offer you access to different tools and resources. But all in all, even with the lowest membership level, you're going to be able to join the affiliate program, which basically allows you to promote this platform to other people out there that want to start an online business or want to attract more customers to their existing business. Of course, the first thing you will need to do is you will need to activate your membership. You can join at any membership level of your choice. Just go with whatever you can afford. Okay, nobody should get into any debt trying to start a business and things of that nature. So let's say, for example, you joined at the $47 option, then you will be able to earn 20% commissions simply recommending this platform to other people. Okay, so if anybody were to purchase this $47 program, you're going to be able to earn a 20% commission of $47, 20% of $497, or 20% of $897. That's amazing, guys. So, and the beauty about this platform is the fact that you're not only promoting, you don't only have to make money from promoting the program to other people, but you can also earn from just going through the courses and doing your own thing, like I already mentioned. So it's not just one of those platforms where you join a platform and you start bringing other people to a platform and there's absolutely no value. You can also benefit from the trainings and the digital training courses as well. Okay, and here's the best part, guys. You don't only earn commissions from getting someone to actually buy something. So if somebody came to this website, if you promoted your affiliate link and you got someone else to sign up via your link, you are going to earn 50 cents for just recommending this platform to someone else, even if they don't buy anything. Okay, did you hear that? So they don't even have to buy any membership levels for you to make money. You can earn 50 cents just bringing somebody new on board. Okay, and that's just another little source of passive income right there that you would never have had. You're just recommending the platform to someone else and you're making money even if they decide not to buy anything. So how do you go on to promote the platform? That's probably the next question. So once you register for an account, the first thing you want to do, of course, is register for your account. So once you activate your account, okay, you'll be able to log into the members area. And then what you want to do is go to your account section here. And then what you want to do is you want to get your referral link, okay? Okay, so once you're logged into your account, this is what it's going to look like. Because it's a brand new account, you don't obviously have any affiliate signups just yet. So once you start getting people to sign up via your link, you will be able to track those earnings here. So what you want to do, of course, to start getting people is you want to get your referral link. So this is your referral link, and that's the link that is going to send people to the homepage. So if I just pasted this link here, so that's your affiliate link, as you can see. So it's tracking people to your own affiliate link. So if somebody came on here now, right, they're able to go on and register, right? And if they go on and register, guess what? That's a new lead and a new referral that is going to be under you. And you're going to earn your 50 cents for just bringing that new lead on board. That's the beauty about the strategy, guys. You're just sending people to a platform that has already been done for you. It has already been created for you. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to do the most. All you're doing is sending people to this website. If they register, you earn a commission. If they go on to upgrade, you're going to earn anywhere from 20% to 100% commissions. It's a win-win for you, okay? So you want to take a note of this link, okay? And then you want to go onto your Facebook. So if you're using Facebook to promote, you want to go to your Facebook account, and then you want to go on and make sure that you edit the intro, guys. So this is where you're going to put the link to your bio. So when you go on there, you can easily go on here and add things like, links to your affiliate products that you're trying to promote. You can just go on here and paste your Funnelpire link right here, okay? And you can have a little intro here, because that's one of the first things that people will see when they come to your account. They are going to see that intro, and you want to send them to your links. And you also want to make sure that you put your link in your details section here. You want to go on there and actually put your link there. So when people come to your profile, they can check out. It's like free marketing right there. You can go to the websites option, and you can go there and just, put the link to your affiliate link right there. And then moving forward, all you're literally going to be doing, guys, is you're going to be creating reels. Like you can see, this is like a short form reel right here. Great example. You don't even have to show your face with this Facebook reels, guys. You do not have to put your face out there, okay? And you can do this on Facebook. You can do this on Instagram. You can do the exact same thing on TikTok, guys. Now, here's the beauty, the best part about Funnelpire, right? If you're sitting there thinking, okay, now I have my link here, what next? You can actually go on and start promoting content that has already been done for you. So when you become an affiliate, you will have access to the social media posts. There's quite a few of them, as you can see, okay, done for you, that you can just download to your computer, download to your device, guys, and go share on your Facebook, your Instagram. And what you can do is you can turn this into reels, okay? So you can just go on platforms like canva.com, and you can turn, let's say you wanted to use this piece of content, you can upload it as it is, or you can just go and turn it into a reel. You don't even have to put your face out there. But if you're someone who's already like competent on camera, then what you can do is you can just go and just do a short video, just showing people, hey, 3 online businesses you can start from home: digital products, affiliate marketing, start a YouTube channel. Looking for the easiest way to get started? See the link in my bio. So if you wanted to create a reel, right, turn that into a reel, you can just go on to canva.com, and then you can just go on here and search for something like Instagram Reels, okay? Again, Canva is a free platform, guys. So you can just go on there, do Instagram Reel, okay? And then what you can do here now is you can just go on there and just find all those templates that are already like pop in there right now. You can either make your own from scratch, or you can just go and edit any of those pieces of content. Let's go here, for example. This one looks quite good. Customize this template, okay? This is how simple this stuff is, guys. Like you can spend like an hour a week just creating like 7 different reels, right? That you're going to be uploading every single day on your Facebook. So I can just go on here and just do online businesses. You can start. This is an example, but you can play around with this very, very easily. Of course, you can go and change the background videos and things of that nature. And, I'll also recommend that you add another, page, something here that says, see link in the bio to get started, or an easy way to get started, see link in the bio, or something of that sort. And then just upload that into as a Facebook reel, or an Instagram reel, or a TikTok video, or whatever the case may be. So when people start watching those videos, right, and clicking on those links, they are now coming to your affiliate website. And when they come to those affiliate websites, guys, you are going to earn your 50 cents for just bringing somebody new. We do all the selling for you, okay? So you don't have to do any selling, okay? You're not following up with anybody. All the following up is already been done for you. Your job is to go out there and just post this reels, very short form video on social media, bring those people to the platform, get paid your 50 cents, and then the company does all the selling for you, and they help you to close the sale. So you're not having to sell anything. You're just sharing reels, which can take you like literally seconds to create on Instagram. Now, if you're confident putting your face out there, even better. If you can put your face out there, even better, because it's easier to build trust when you actually put your face out there. And this is how easy it is, guys, to start generating a great ton of money on the internet, just creating short form videos, okay?